Hola! Today we're traveling to northern Spain, to the Basque country, where the food is astonishing. We're gonna prepare a very healthy, easy and delicious dish, especially in cold winter days. Marmitako de salmón, a Basque vegetable and salmon stew. So let's get started. All the information is in the description box below. First of all, we grab a potato and we peel it. After peeling, we cut it into big pieces. They can be irregular, but make sure it's big. We leave the potato in water so it doesn't oxidize. Now we prepare the rest of the vegetables. First of all, the onion, we're gonna fry it, so we cut it very small. After the onion, I'm doing the garlic. I like to be generous with this, yet I cut it very thin. After the garlic, it's time for the leek. Same operation, same procedure, cut it very small. Once the leek is ready, it's time for a touch of color, green and red pepper. Let's clean all the seeds. And again, cut it very small. Now our vegetables are ready, so it's time to prepare the pan. We add a generous amount of olive oil. First of all, we stir fry the garlic, and after the garlic is ready, we immediately add the onion. We stir fry it all together until it's nice and soft. And now we add the leek. This will cook quickly. We stir it all together. And again, when it's soft, it's time to add a little bit of salt to help with dehydration. I'm adding a couple of teaspoons, but you can add it at taste. And the same thing goes for the black pepper. Add at taste. Now we add a touch of color. The pepper goes into the pot. And again, stir frying until everything is soft. Now we add the grated tomato or tomato sauce. We stir it all together and we're gonna wait until the water has gone. Now is when we add the pepper paste or puree, and finally the paprika. Set it aside because it burns very quickly. You don't want it to burn. Now is when we add the potatoes, again outside the fire, mix it all together quickly, and immediately we add the water. The water should be covering the potatoes. In a mid to high fire, after a little final stir, we let it cook. Once it's all ready, it's time to add the fish. We go with salmon, but you can do it with any type of fish that is good for stew. You have to clean it beforehand, you need to remove the skin, remove the bones, and cut it into big chunks. Now in the remaining heat, we're gonna cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes have passed, our marmitako is ready. Time to serve. Smells amazing and it looks delicious. I can't wait to try. This is what the fish is like inside, nice and soft. Perfect. And it's mandatory to dip a little bit of bread. Gorgeous sauce. Time to try. It's amazing. 5 stars to this marmitako. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.